Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to trade the micro crude oil. And I just want to go over the chart today and show you why both of these lower time frame demand zones failed. And we were looking at this in the live room today. We saw the breakout to the downside on the opening range. And it looks like we did get a break to the downside, kind of pulls back into the opening range and makes this move down, breaking through these smaller zones, right? Especially this 15-minute, that's a 5-minute zone. Go to the 15-minute chart. You can see it right here. Really nice drop base rally here that broke through structure. Legitimate, right? This is a legitimate demand zone, but look what happened here. Now, why did this demand zone fail? Let's turn it gray. Why did that fail? Let's have a discussion about that. Let me collapse this. Okay, down here we've got another demand zone, right? This is the 1 hour demand zone that we were looking at in the live room. We were looking at this drop base rally here. Lot of force coming out of this demand zone. So you know damn well there's a lot of buyers in here somewhere, right? You can even extend it kind of like that to encompass that wick. So definitely a level to be interested in. And that's all the way down here, right? But why did this 15-minute demand zone fail? Okay, let's take a look at that. High time frame, right? Let's focus on the high time frame here. 4-hour chart. We are in an uptrend, okay? We are in an uptrend. Candles are green. Trend cloud is green. Right? We are way above all these major levels of support, the 100, the 200 moving average, up and away, right? Trend is pointing to the upside. Now, take a look at where the cycle indicator and the momentum indicator are. What do we see? We see that cycling down, momentum is down. What does that tell us? That tells us that in this uptrend, we are in a corrective phase. Okay, so this is still in the process of correcting down into the trend before it makes the move back up. See, we have impulse, correction, impulse, okay, correction. We're still in this correction phase, all right? So, you know, we have to take that into consideration in our analysis. So here we've got this uptrend. We love that. There's a lot of people that are not looking, or they're just ignoring momentum. They see the trend, and that's all the information that they care about. And so they're going to go and they're going to take every single demand zone that they find on the lower time frame. Good luck with that. Okay, that doesn't lead to consistent profits. That leads to a lot of frustration. You cannot ignore momentum. The momentum piece of the equation is imperative, okay? So we've got trend. We're pulling back into the trend cloud. So we're in a corrective phase, and that you can see on your cycle indicator. Correction back into the trend cloud. Momentum is still down. So uptrend with a lot of force to the downside. Go to your middle time frame, and the middle time frame here, I mean, you can see without anything on the chart, we're kind of going sideways, aren't we? But with trend cloud, you can clearly see, okay, we are in an uptrend, but where are we with momentum? Well, on this pullback, we broke below that negative 100. So that confirms that your middle time frame is also down on momentum. So the CCI indicator lets us know if we're in a strong uptrend or a strong downtrend by crossing either above positive 100 or below negative 100, right? So at this point in time, we've got the trend is up on the middle time frame. The trend is up on the high time frame. And everybody is saying, oh, well, the trend is up, therefore this demand zone is going to work. Not true. We did not take this trade because our momentum filter, right? This is a momentum filter that you get with your trend cloud, is down, right? We don't want that. We want to take trades, okay, when momentum is up on that high time frame. The context of momentum and trend must be in the same direction on that high time frame before you can take a trade. Just keep that in mind. All right, so I know it gets confusing looking at three time frames, three different trends, three different momentums. It gets very confusing. So just stick to the one time frame, your highest time frame, 4-hour chart. Is the trend up? Yes. Good. Check that box. Is the momentum up? No. Okay. So you put an X in that box. All right. So you must have everything in alignment. Trend, cycling up with momentum up, right? So you got to have up, up, and up. Here we have trend up, momentum down, cycling down, momentum down, right? We don't have it. You got to check those three boxes, right? Do the same thing on your middle time frame. Trend is up, good. As it was pulling back into that demand zone, we started crossing below -100, and that totally negated the trade, right? I think it just missed. Yeah, it just missed this one right here. Came down, just missed the demand zone, made a nice rally, came back down, bounced off again, and then finally went through, right? So you could avoid that. You could avoid that just by looking at that high time frame filter, guys, okay? So I'll grant you access to the momentum filter for free. Just shoot me an email or sign up for the mini course, and I will send you the momentum filter for free, and you can use that on your chart to filter out all the trades on your lower time frame, right? So high time frame momentum filter will keep you out of some very dangerous trades on that lower time frame. All right. So thanks, guys. If you want the mini course and the momentum filter, just sign up for the mini course and I will automatically send you the momentum filter. I'll grant you access to it on TradingView. Thanks, everybody. See you in the next video.